कोई आते जाते, कोई आपको मारते कहीं न किसी ने देखा?
किसी ने नहीं देखा। इम्तियाज अंसारी हैं और अख्तर अंसारी हैं, ये दो।
हमने आपको प्रोविजनल बिल दिया है. Mr. Abdul Mannan Khan, learned advocate for the petitioner, and 3 others are said to have taken the deceased to a place for plucking fruits. Later, his dead body was found in a jungle. The deceased was found to have been crushed by stone. Mr. Khan, learned advocate for the petitioner, has submitted that though he has been named in the FIR, but there is no direct or indirect evidence against him except for suspicion. The petitioner's
brother was murdered by the...
sorry. The deceased was crushed to death. The possibility of his getting injured in the jungle by falling on a stone also cannot be ruled out.
वो बैर खिलाने के लिए ले गए थे जंगल की तरफ, 2 दिन नहीं लौटे, फिर खोजबीन करने के बाद उनकी लाश पाई गई लड़के की। तो इससे इनको पता चला कि वो मर्डर कर दिया गया, सर को कुचल के।
क्यों भाई, तो बड़ा मुश्किल है
ये। हमसे इनसे ये खुद ही एडमिट कर रहे हैं फायर में कि दुश्मनी थी हमारे भाई का, पिटिशनर के भाई का मर्डर हुआ।
जस्ट किसी एक को एंटिसिपेटरी बेल हो गया है।
हाँ, 2 आदमी को।
हमने इसलिए डायरी मांगा कि कुछ एविडेंस आया है। क्या मैटर आया है?
डायरी में ये आया है कि ही वाज मेंटली डिस्टर्ब।
तो सर कुचल कौन देगा मेंटली डिस्टर्ब?
हालत में गए थे जंगल में, गिर भी पड़ा हो, और वहीं पर इनका ससुराल था, इनकी वाइफ से सेपरेशन हो गया।
ऐसा कहाँ आया है बताएं?
ये पारा आया हुआ है, डायरी के पारा जो है ये 7 में है। साक्षी है साहिबजान अंसारी, इन्होंने बताया है, साक्षी ने बताया कि मृतक नौशाद अंसारी की शादी कूड़ा में हुआ है, जिससे एक बच्ची भी है। नौशाद अंसारी दिमागी तौर पर ठीक नहीं था, इधर उधर घूमते रहता था, जिसके कारण साल भर पहले उनका तलाक हो गया था।
कोई आते जाते, कोई आपको मारते कहीं न किसी ने देखा?
किसी ने नहीं देखा। वो हमारे साथ जो है वो जाने का कोई सवाल नहीं, बस दोनों से दुश्मनी चल रही थी, वो जेल थे हमारे रोड पर, तो हमारे साथ क्यों जाएंगे?
किसको बेल हुआ है दूसरे बेंच से?
ये हुआ है ये इम्तियाज अंसारी हैं और अख्तर अंसारी हैं, ये दो इसी केस में।
हमने आपको प्रोविजनल बिल दिया है।
25 में भी आया है कि कोई दुश्मनी थी, उनसे गवाह ने कहा है सुपरविजन रिपोर्ट में कि वो दुश्मनी से लोग बताया गया है। तो मेंटली डिस्टर्ब था, इधर उधर घूमता रहता।
Heard Mr. Abdul Mannan Khan, learned advocate for the petitioner, and learned additional public prosecutor for the state. The petitioner seeks bail in anticipation of his arrest in connection with Jhaja PS case number so-and-so, dated so-and-so, and instituted for the offences under section so-and-so. The petitioner and 3 others are said to have taken the deceased to a place for plucking fruits, but the deceased never returned. Later, his dead body was found in a jungle. The deceased was found to have been crushed by stone. The accusation against the petitioner is solely based on suspicion. Mr. Khan, learned advocate for the petitioner, has submitted that though he has been named in the FIR, but there is no direct or indirect evidence against him except for suspicion. The reason for suspecting the hand of the petitioner is that in a case of murder of a family member of the informant, the petitioner's
brother was murdered by the...
sorry. The reason
for suspecting hands of the petitioner.
The reason for suspecting the hand of the petitioner in this case is that there had been a murder in the family of the informant, in which there had been murder in the family of the petitioner, in which the informant and his son were charged, but they were acquitted. It appears that in retaliation, the son of the informant has been killed at the hands of the petitioner and others. During the course of investigation, it has come to light that the deceased was not having, deceased did not have a balanced mind, and precisely for that reason, his marital life also was disturbed. However, during the entire investigation, no definite evidence could be collected with respect to the participation of the petitioner in the occurrence. Stuff. It is also not certain whether the deceased was crushed to death. Stuff. The possibility of his getting injured in the jungle by falling on a stone also cannot be ruled out. Stuff. One of the other accused persons of this case with similar accusation based on suspicion has been granted anticipatory bail by a bench of this court. Regard being had to the taking into account the aforestated fact, the case diary was called for and the petitioner was granted provisional bail. Peruse the diary. There is no direct material against the petitioner, and the accusation veers, or accusation is only on the basis of suspicion. Considering the aforenoted facts, the provisional bail granted to the petitioner is hereby confirmed. The petitioner shall remain on the same bail bonds. The application stands allowed.
Okay.